Hey guys, it's Trish back with another video. Today we're going to make a fun project using these cream and white buttons from Dress It Up buttons and also the snowfall buttons. So let's get started. So what I did, guys, is I picked up just this piece of wood. I actually got it at just a regular store. It had these edges on it. And I'm just going to paint some glitter paint on this. It's a very sheer glitter paint, but you could stain it, you could paint it a color, you could do anything you wanted. I'm going to stick with like the whites and some browns maybe, and as far as like accents on it, but I'm going to use this glitter paint that I got on the actual board. So I'm just going to squirt some of that on there just like that. And I'm gonna just start coating the board with it. It's just gonna be very sheer, just a tiny little bit of glitter there. And yeah, it just gives it a little accent. Because I like the base color of the wood, I just wanted a little bit of a kick, you know, to it. So once we're gonna do that, make sure I got enough glitter on it, right? Put a little bit more over here. Okay, very cute, like that. So now we just have to let that dry. Okay, so that has dried, and we're just gonna take a ruler now and a pencil, and we're gonna draw a tree shape, however big or small that you want it. I think I'm gonna start kind of like middle of the board there. And I want to make sure I have my ruler at an angle, because we're just going to do a simple shape. We're just going to go down with our pencil and then do the same thing on the other side. You're going to start at the tip up there. And then again, you're just going to angle it out to kind of get it the same. I mean, it's not going to be perfect if you're like me, but just to kind of get it the same. Oops. That's the nice thing about pencil. If you mess up, you can erase it. Ish size on both sides. So, and I'm just going to close the bottom of it up. Just with my pencil like this. This is just giving us a guide on where to put our buttons. Okay, and remember also, you can decorate the outside of this. You could put some real pretty, they have so many beautiful buttons. You could put in the sky, you could put down on the ground. If you wanted to raise it up closer to the middle, you could just decorate the bottom of it. There's a lot you could do with it, but I'm going to show you the basics today. So here is our tree shape that we're going to go with. And I'm going to set my ruler to the side up here. And now during this time that you're painting and doing all of that, you're going to want to make sure that you have your glue gun heating up. Okay. And we just are going to take out these beautiful little white and cream buttons. These are regular sew-on buttons. And I'm just going to dump these out right here so I can see what I have. And we're just going to start filling in with those, okay? So let's start with maybe a bigger one here in the corner. And you're going to get the basic shape of a tree. Keep that in mind, guys. I'm going to fill in here in the corner with one. Got my glue guns leaking, apparently. There we go. And then just start working across. And you're going to want to make sure you're using different sizes to give it enough interest. Oops. String there. I'm going to put a littler one up above it here. Just like so. And I think on the bottom I'm going to have kind of like a base of like the bigger ones. Okay. You know, they don't all have to be the same size, but I'm just working across, and I am covering up that pencil line as I'm going across here. I'm gonna put a bigger one here in this corner, so we're a little even. Put one in the middle here, and you just build it with your buttons. I have some snowflake buttons here. I'm also going to start adding those in, because it's going to be made of these white and cream buttons and also snowflakes. I think it would be really pretty to add those in as part of the tree. And remember, you can have, they also make dress it up buttons. They have like these teeny tinies and these little medium-sized ones that you can get and fill in with if you don't have enough that right size with the just getting this container. You can just go ahead and fill in with those. So I can see here I'm going to want to put smaller buttons. That one won't fit in there, so we're going to go with, try this one. This is a little one. This is a pearl one. This is really pretty. Yeah, the pearl one will fit in there. And I think it's going to look nicer with like a variety of sizes instead of trying to like make it perfect sizes all the way around, you know. Let's see if that'll fit in. Now that one, the smallest one out of here won't fit, so I am going to open up my little tiny. I'm going to just put those right there with the others and see if that'll fit in there. Not, oh yeah, it will. So that's perfect. What's that? Okay, so I have laid out some of my snowflake buttons, and some of them you'll find will have flat backs. Other ones will have the shanks on them. If you do have a shank, you're just going to want to take a heavy-duty pair of pliers or scissors and cut those shanks off. And then you can just start filling in with your snowflakes as well. I'm going to put a snowflake here. And they kind of fit around the curves of the buttons real nice. I just like to get my base made before I start adding in the snowflakes. And then you're just going to keep building, guys. That's basically what we're doing here. Just building our tree up with the buttons. Let's see, let's get a smaller one. As you go. And we're just going to keep building this and fitting in the buttons. And I'll be right back when I get this finished. Okay guys, so here is our finished tree out of buttons. I think that came out so cute. Now, a couple things you could do. You could cut out some letters if you have a silhouette or a cricket. You know, Merry Christmas or Joy to the World or something like that and put across the top. You could use sticker letters. You could stamp it. You could wood burn. There's a lot of different things you could do with it. Up at the top or down here, this, if you wanted to decorate further, I kind of like the simplicity of it, but absolutely your call. So I hope you enjoyed this one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.